Alright, so today I'm out gonna try and fly this, made in this. This is a fully 3D printed wing. It has been sitting in my garage for too long and I thought, stuff it, I'm just gonna send it. It's on iNav 6, so it's fully experimental, and if it dies, it dies.
If it dies, it dies.
And I'm not expecting to bring it back home either, but yeah, it's fully made out of PLA. It's got a Maytech F411 SC in it, or WSC in it. Caddx, the cheapest Caddx camera I had. TBS, Unify, you know, those 25 milliwatt ones or those 50 milliwatt ones. And Emax Eco 2306, I'm pretty sure it's 2400 kV motor on it. And yeah, she's got carbon spars. It's relatively strong, but I'm gonna yeet it that way, and if it comes back, it comes back. So the video is good. I'm gonna try auto launch, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Whatever it is, it's gonna make a video for today anyway, hey? Oh my god! Oh my god! This actually flies nice. It needs a whoa, it did not like that in manual. It likes the nose down. Let's try a auto trim. Whoa! That's better. Whoa! Really likes the nose down. Maybe the battery moved. Woo! Let's give it a bit of a tune, eh? Oh, see, that's nice. I got no GPS. I've got a little tiny quad battery in it, 1500 milliamp. Yeah, little. Let's try this now. Let's turn the. That's nice now. What's it like in manual? Is it going to try and kill itself again in manual? I think it will. Oh yeah, it loves to kill itself in manual. Wow. Oh dear, I can't believe this is flying. Yeah, I don't even know where the hell I am. Where am I? I haven't flown this location at all. Where am I? I think I'm on... I can hear it coming back. Am I over here? Nope. I'm definitely on top of this hill. Nope. This hill, there we are, look, found myself, wicked. Oh, this likes to try and kill itself so hard. It definitely likes to keep the throttle over. That's really weird to fly, actually. So where am I? I'm here. This hill. Alright, so I'm looking for that little bend. Yeah, there we go. This is the weirdest thing to fly. But it's flying. I can't believe it. It probably needs some reflex. So where am I? This hill, right? This is the hill I'm on. Oh, it flies so weird. Is it crabbing? Oh, that is bizarre. That is really bizarre. I've got no cruise mode, but let's put it in angle. That is crazy. Yeah, it needs a massive tune. Massive tune. But flies so weird. I think it's because of the CG. It's kind of, I'm trying to feel it. It's definitely, oh, it's weird. I don't know if it's too far back, too far forward. I feel like it's too far forward. Let's try something dumb. Nah. Let's try that again. That's really comfortable flying upside down. Oh, that was weird. Getting crazy video interference, but yeah, I've got no return to home, no GPS. Like I said, if it dies, it dies. Should probably bring it back, shouldn't I? But yeah, this is my... I got no speed. Seems to like it nice and slow. I feel like it needs to be a little bit more nose heavy, to be honest. It's flying longer than I thought it would. To be honest, I thought it would be dead by now. I need to find a spot to take it down. Yeah, I could probably come in on this track nice and low and set it down. Alright, that's what I'm going to do. Don't know why my radio's beeping at me. Ooh, that was a bit weird. So nice and low. Let's see if I can bring it back, hey? Let's see my skills. Oh, tricky. She's stolen. She's stolen. She's stolen. Okay, she's landed. It's better than I thought. Now let's go see what it's like. Oh my god. You're not gonna believe it. It's in one piece. Like, perfectly in one piece. Even the motor mount. Hold on, let me disconnect the battery. There we go. So yeah, even the motor mount is fully 3D printed. I don't know if I can see that.
Telemetry lost.
Oh, thank you, radio. Yeah, she's fully 3D printed. Let me open it right up for you guys. So yeah, it's just a quad battery. 1500 4S. It's got the Maytech F411 SE, a really old Crossfire Nano. No, Crossfire Micro RX. In the back here is an old Hobby Wing Skywalker 40 amp ESC in it. And like I said, some Emax servos. I can't believe it flew. I can't believe it landed. Wow. I literally just flashed it today to on RNF 6.0 and thought I'm just going to yeet it. Hey, caterpillar. But yeah, still in great condition. All right, so I'm going to work on some CG. I feel like it's I feel like it needs to be a little bit more nose heavy because it was porpoising. Nose heavy would keep it down, yeah. But hey, what about that, eh? If you guys want to fly this, I'll link the Thingiverse link in the description. It's called a suck wing, I think, but people have flown it before, and I'm actually surprised it does fly. But there you go. Oh, there's a couple of flies on it. There you go. It's all made out of PLA, except for a couple of carbon spars that join it all. Took me a while to print it. I've now got a whole new respect for it. These fins, the vertical stabilizers, I've actually made them thicker than what they're meant to be. Get a bit more rigidity into them, and I think it definitely paid off. Maybe it was porpoising like crazy, and also wiggling like crazy, but hey, it flew. So yeah, if you like dumb things like this, click the subscribe button, click the like button if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hey, cheers.